Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to dive into this dental drug app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's dive into the review. The dental drug app is a solid reference tool for dental professional. It offers quick access to 90 plus common dental medication and aesthetic dosage calculator and emergency management protocol. It works offline, so you can use it even without internet, which is great for busy clinicians or students. On the downside, the app hasn't been updated super frequently, and some drugs data or guideline may be slightly out of date. Also, the free trial only lasts a week, and you will need to pay for the annual subscription to keep using all the full features. So, my opinion, if you are a dentist or a dental student, or anyone needing a quick prescription or reference specific to dentistry, the dental drug is definitely worth using, but make sure to double check with more up-to-date source for critical or less common medication. And that's it. I'll find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.